Homestead with Jess. Today is the day of the bake-off. I'm so excited. So we are going to make a yummy appetizer. I am going to do soft keto pretzel bites. So what we got here is I have 1 egg for my egg wash. Oh, I've got the oven going. It's at 400 degrees. It's heating up. I have 2 cups of shredded mozzarella and 1 ounce of cream cheese. In here, I have a half a cup of almond flour, a tablespoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of stevia, and a tablespoon of yeast. A baking sheet with parchment paper, and I think that's all we need. So what I am going to start off with is the cheese, and I am going to go ahead and microwave this for 30 seconds at a time. Between each time, I'm going to stir until it's all incorporated. So let me get this done and I will be right back. Alright, so I've got my cheeses melted together. So what I'm going to do is take my mixture here of my almond flour, baking soda, stevia, and yeast. And I'm just going to mix this all together and just knead this together. If you want to enter the bake-off, I will put the directions down below how to do this. I hope that people join this. I think this is going to be a great way to keep everybody accountable, including myself, and just a fun way to learn new recipes. My co-host Sherry, I'll go ahead and link her channel below, her video for the bake-off, and you can follow her as well. Please subscribe to both of us. And as I said, I'll put the directions in my description below. And once we have this all kneaded out, we're going to roll. I'm going to try to get this as even as possible. And we're going to do 4 sections. We're going to roll this out. We'll just line the baking sheet with our little dough bites here, our pizza bites. We're going to give our pretzel bites a little egg wash. And then this will go in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. You'll need to keep a close eye to make sure they don't burn. So I'm going to go ahead and season these up. Alright, I'm all finished. I decided just to do the everything bagel and the cinnamon. We're going to pop this in the oven, like I said, for 10 to 12 minutes. We're going to keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't burn. We're waiting for our pretzel bites to get out of the oven. We're going to do a quick cheese sauce for our pretzels. So all we're going to need is extra sharp cheddar. We're not going to need that much. We just need a little bit. So my simple recipe is cheddar cheese. Just like that. Some heavy whipping cream. Just enough to cover the cheese up a little bit. We're going to go ahead and put this on the stovetop. Alright folks, there you have it. We have our everything bagel cinnamon bites here. I made a little bit of cheese sauce. This was probably maybe a 20-25 minute recipe. Really quick, simple, easy recipe. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks for visiting Keto Homestead with Jess.